hello. Hi. Hello. Merry Christmas. My voice goes really high pitched when I'm trying to say hello. Welcome back to another video. I really struggle to say hello every time. I don't know why I can't say hello like a normal person every time I start a video. But my hope is one day I'll get there. It is Christmas 2019 and I am so excited. Today I'm going to be doing my Christmas makeup look. Let's get straight into it. Merry Christmas again. If I've done this right, this will be going up on Christmas, which means it's Christmas. I wanted to do a Christmas makeup look that is pretty quick, but glam, but also easy. I don't know about you, but generally speaking, Christmas is filled with family, friends, and food, and it gets really crazy and there really isn't a lot of time to spend on doing my makeup. Also, I'm doing my sister's makeup as well, so I need this makeup look to take half the time that it normally would, and then half that time because I'm doing my sister's makeup. But at the same time, I do want to look glamorous and put together and extra pretty because it's a holiday. When I think of a Christmas makeup look, I think red, glitter, and flawless skin. So, that being said, let's prime. I'm going to use the VDL Cushion Primer again. I used that in another video and it was a lot of fun. I've been really enjoying how it works. This gives my skin a really nice glowy base to just achieve the flawless skin we're after. I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Wear in shade 445 and mix that with a little bit of this 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie in LG3. I just want to add a tad bit of this because it's so full coverage and I think it's just gonna help with that airbrush finish. Given I'll probably be up super early Christmas morning, I'm gonna need a lot of concealer to hide the bags. So I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape in, what is this? Fair Neutral. Just a tad, because I do want it to last throughout the day. I'm gonna use the Fenty Matchstick in Amber to contour my nose. It is so hot in this sweater. Is that why they call them sweaters? Because they make you sweat? This is awful. I'm doing this for the Christmas themed video, but I hate it. Go in with this Hourglass translucent setting powder. Feel like I want to bake a little bit. I don't really have time to bake. I'm just going to concentrate the powder under my eyes a little bit to stop any creasing. Feeling super matte. Christmas is hot in Australia, so usually we would be out by the pool, having cold beverages, eating barbecued food. Here in the States, it's too cold to go outside. We're all stuck inside, so we're not really sure what to do. How do you do Christmas without going outside? Please, someone help. I'm gonna use a different bronzer today, purely out of convenience. Because I'm not home, I've tried to condense some of my products. I'm gonna use the Ofra Hot Cocoa Bronzer Highlighter Duo, so I don't have to take a couple of individual packages. I can just take the one. I'm really sweating in this thing. I only want to use a little bit of blush though, 1 for time and 2 probably going to be flushed all day in the artificial heat. I'm going to use the Berry Amore by Milani. I've been really liking this blush recently because it got a little bit of a sheen to it. It doesn't look as powdery on the skin, but it is a powder so it's nice and fast. Feeling very flat and very matte. I'm rhyming today. It is really weird. I need to stop. So I totally lied before when I was like, yeah, I'm gonna use the 2-in-1. It's gonna be great for travel. I'm not gonna use that highlight. I think it's the Rodeo Drive color shade in it. I don't wanna use that. I wanna use the Star Island highlight because it's been my favorite for so long. Also, it's a little bit lighter, so it's gonna give me a lighter glow to it. And given it's Christmas, I feel like light white sheen will be more fitting than a bronze summer glow. I'm glowing quite a bit brighter than usual. It's Christmas and I want to glow like all the fairy lights. Christmas is glow. Not as glowy as New Year's, but glowy. I'm going to quickly do a midway spray. I actually haven't used this in a while in my videos because I keep forgetting about it. It really just melts the makeup together, makes it look a little more natural. For my brows, precisely my brow pencil, I'm gonna quickly define the shape and then I'm gonna just fill in any gaps with this Kevyn Aucoin. It's actually a contour and highlight little tester palette. I love the contour shade for my brows. I find that that's so much faster than spending the whole time with the pencil. Then I'm just gonna follow that with my ColourPop Boss Brow Gel. I have foundation lips and I hate foundation lips. It won't go away. I've got the thick Christmas brow look. Got carried away, made this one a little bit bigger. So then had to make this one a little bit bigger. And here we are, bushy brows. I love this palette so much, so we're gonna use it. Also, the glitter is perfect for Christmas. We're gonna start with this Soothe Matte shade. We want to darken up that outer section a little bit. I'm going to go into the Ritual Matte. Pretty rough. I'm going to clean it up soon. I'm going to go into the metallic version of Soothe. Now we've got this really pretty gold fade into brown wing. So I'm gonna go over the top with a glitter. But first, before I do that, I wanna go in with liner. I'm gonna try my man-eater liner again and hope that it doesn't do the weird run thing that it does sometimes. I'm gonna go in with the Soothe Gold glitter. I'm gonna just use my finger for this one. Quickly just went over that liner to hide some of that glitter. I did do the liner first because with the glitter, trying to draw the initial line would have been crazy, and liner is hard enough as it is. I'm gonna do mascara and lashes to finish off this eye look. Eyes are done, lashes are on. I feel like lashes just bring the whole eye look together. A lot of glitter. I did put a little glitter on the inner part of my lower lash line, which I ended up smudging it a little bit down further. So I have a bit of glitter over my face. Not ideal. The lips are really just gonna bring the Christmas in this look. What is Christmas without a red lip? So I'm gonna go on with this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip in Seraphine. I probably should line. I found a red lip liner. Pretty sure it's like 85 years old and prob's expired. But I'm gonna use it. If you're gonna line your lips for any color, I feel like red is that color. It doesn't seem red, it's pretty broken, and I hope it doesn't give me a disease. Wow, that is red. Let's do one last spritz of this guy. This is Christmas. Oh, wait. Let me show you. Check this out. Oh, wait, you can't see them. Can't angle my foot. That's not working. My little reindeer slippers. Hope you're having a great Christmas or have had a really good one wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a like down below. Also, go follow me on Instagram at Amy_Leesha. You guys are great. I'm gonna go. Bye.